Hello buddies, I just finished the production of these solid bricks with the liter as a requirements from our customer. And you can see here, see, the liter is AEDHAN. It's very beautiful. And after if you use the soft powder, the soil or the material on the top of the material, that will be more clear to produce. It's more clear to be read. But now it's okay. Now it's okay. So you can read it. This one, AADHAM, and like this one, AADHAA. So it's more beautiful. Okay, now I trust to test it on bricks, right? This one is produced with cement blocks. With cement blocks. I stand up on from the size location. Try to test the density of the blocks from the size location, not from the top. So later I will try to stand up on the top surface of the bricks to test the pressure. Yeah, now you can see, very solid. And I try to stand up by this size, or this size, this size, this size, and this size. Okay. Very good this city, very good. Okay. Good block.